little duck.
There's another turkey. Oh, they're selling the chips.
Yeah. They give you eggs, Mama.
That's cool.
What do you think, Snow? You like the little baby chicks? You wanna? You want Mama to get a farm so you can raise baby chicks?
Peacocks? Are there peacocks in the ground and water? Are there peacocks?
What do you think, Storm? Pretty cool? Yeah.
You guys are noisy. You guys are so noisy.
Snow, you want to go feed the goats?
You want to pet it? No? We're all babies. You want to go see the other animals? We can come back. We can come back in here, baby.
You want to go see the goats and the rabbits and the horses? You like the baby chicks? Okay. Look at the rabbits and their little rabbit hutch. Oh, hi, rabbit.
Pet them back here. Pet them right here. Here, I'll do it with you. I'll do it with you. Come here. Here, look.
I think she's
No,
not too
look.
sure.
Look, Snow, she's just laying there. She's tired. Look, she's so soft. Here, pet her right here. She's so soft. Pet her. Look, she's so soft. Is she so beautiful and soft? Pet her some more. She likes it.
Aww, he's so cute. I've never seen rabbits before. He's so cute and fun.
Yeah, you have a stuffed rabbit, right?
Oh,
You have a stuffed rabbit.
He has some wings.
He's got spots, huh?
Oh,
Is he white and gray?
Okay, I think he's done. Let's go pet the goats now.
Come on, see how sweet they are? Say thank you for letting me pet you. Look, do you see the others down in there?
Storm, you want to pet the rabbit?
There.
You want to pet the rabbit,
There's another one
Pup-Pups?
over here. Look. Say hi. Here, show your brother and you can pet him. Show your brother. Do you want to pet him, Storm? You want to pet him?
So cute. And he has ears. I really do like a bunny. And he's so cute. That's a fun.
Let him pet the bunny.
Here, pet the bunny.
Oh, he's so cute and
No, look through the gate. Watch Mommy. Look, Snow. Mommy's got the baby goat. Do you want to go in and pet him? Look at Mommy. Mommy's got the baby goat.
The little baby.
Do you want to pet him, Snow?
Her name is Jupiter. Jupiter? Oh, I love that name. Jupiter, what a cool name.
You want to go in and pet him with Mommy?
Where's
Snow?
Thomas? He's missing this.
You don't want to go in there?
Playground. Oh, thank you for letting me hold you, little baby Jupiter. Oh, you guys are all really cute. You're interested in my genie. Okay, Snow, do you not want to come in here?
Maybe later.
Okay, maybe later. Thank you for letting us visit. Oh my gosh, there's sheep back here. Mom, did you see the sheep?
No.
Those are the lambs that we bottle feed. Oh, they're lambs? Wait, are lambs in the baby of the sheep?
Yes.
Okay.
Look, Snow, here's one right here, Snow. Saying hi.
Mom, do you want to go in and pet them?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're so cute. Hi, little guy. Hi, little guy. Hi.
Aww. You're going! Storm! Look how big this spaghetti squash is at this farm. This is so cool. It's huge. Storm, come here. Storm. And then they have spaghetti squash and pumpkins. Oh my god, look at this pumpkin. Mom! Storm! Come here. Oh, there's geese and turkey over here. Look how huge this freaking pumpkin is. Oh my gosh. I don't think you could tell how big that thing is. Some massive pumpkins in there. Little pumpkin patch. So cool. Alright, Storm Dean, let's go, baby. They think you have food, honey.
This one. Oh, this one's so soft. Wow, look at that one. So soft.
Look at Storm.
This one too. Baby. She wants you to pet her. Pet her.
Whoa, walk everywhere.
Pet her.
They're everywhere.
Pet her.
Oh, you lost me.
He loves you.
Oh,
Come over here, Snow.
you lost me.
This one wants to be petted. Look, Snow. Snow, look. Come over here. Let's go see some more. Oh, look
Don't
at
touch the
this
poop.
tiny one.
No. Hey, don't be sad and mean.
Want to pick him up? Do you want me to pick him up for you?
Are you trying to give him kisses? You're trying to give kisses to the baby goats?
No. Here, wait, look at me. Look at me. Oh, the kids are leaving, sweetheart. Let's go over to the park. There. The kids are leaving. We're not going over.
They are getting ready to watch the new Lightyear movie. Are you guys excited?
Moving on and let go. Add color into your soul. Now life's like a movie. Camera pose. One time for the girl, Channon Rose.